नमस्कार मित्रांनो, मी जयपाल सिंग कायटे. आज सॉईल सॅम्पल कलेक्शन करण्यासाठी त्याची ज्या प्रोसिजर आहे आपण इथे फॉलो करणार आहोत. जेव्हा तुम्हाला एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर लोकेशनचे सॉईल कलेक्शन करायचं आहे तर त्यावेळेस कोणत्या कोणत्या स्टेप्स तुम्हाला फॉलो करावं लागतात ते मी तुम्हाला आता दाखवणार आहे. यू कॅन जस्ट लुक द हिअर द हाऊ टू कलेक्ट सॉईल सॅम्पल ऑन द ग्राउंड लोकेशन, एंटायर लँड, cultivated land, and already organic soils existing here. So we are just trying to how to collect the soil sample on that ground locations. I show you. You can just follow me here. Suppose you want to collect this soil sample on these locations. So I show you this GPS device. This is a Garmin GPS device, you can see. So I just run that Garmin device. You can see here we are just start, and then put that location you want to collect the sample on ground location. Suppose we want to collect this location from this place, but before collecting the soil sample, you just organize the soil properly. I show you how to do that. Just all soils are mixing here. Like this. Then we create the 4 portion here like this, and put your Garmin GPS device on the center. We are putting here this Garmin device, and then collect your data by using your mobile phone. So all details I will be showing the next. Then we are selecting which portion. This is the 4 portion here. This is the 4 portion, 1 2 3 4. So we just to remove here, and then these 2 samples we are collecting, and this collecting this sample by mixing each other properly. This is a standard procedure to collect the soil sample. So like this you can collect the soil sample and use your analysis for this soil. How to connect this Garmin device and how to check the lying lot position on your soil sample location. This device standard frequency is 0.62 centimeter to in between the 3 meter. So I will be show the entire information about this Garmin devices also. So our standard procedure where we are collecting here soil sample, I can show you the how to create the seed. You can see here this is a sample collection sheet. So first we collect the sample one by one location on the place. Starting we are just putting here the serial number, types of the land, in between we are cropped land, desert land, hilly regions, then soil color, what is the condition of that land, and then next column is the longitude, latitude, and what times we are collecting that soil, and date is also mentioning here, and then types of soil, horizon types on the top surface, subsurface, as well as bottom surface. We are called that soil is parent material. So now this sample collection we are collecting the top soil. you can see here. So organic materials, and then last we take the GPS position accuracy. So you can see here the 1.2 meter is the GPS accuracy location. By using your satellite data, you just over matching on that and take your result as a correlation. You can see here this I show you this Garmin device are connecting, how to connect here. Just on it, then this device just visible here the Garmin GLO, just connect on that locations. You can see here the lang lot as well as all details are coming here, and then you can see here this is the status of your GPS locations, and this is a 1.8 accuracy, 1.8 meter accuracy of this device. Now this location GPS accuracy, it is everything is depend on the cloudy regions. You can see at the top of sky having the lots of clouds and noisy environment, so that's why our accuracy is reducing here. So now we are stopping here, and next how to analyze that data, all process I will be showing in the next tutorial. So bye guys, and do not forget to share and subscribe my channel. We call it Do It New, and also press the bell icon, so I continuously provide you the updation about these various techniques and methods. Bye bye.